cassowary, you have to look past the feathers. You're looking at the closest living relative to a dinosaur. Native to the rainforests of Australia and New Guinea, this bird weighs up to 160 pounds. But its most significant feature is its feet. On each foot is a 5-inch dagger-like claw. The cassowary doesn't peck, it kicks. It can leap 5 feet into the air and strike downward with enough force to puncture solid bone. Even the helmet on its head, the casque, is a specialized tool. While its exact purpose is debated, researchers believe it helps the bird push through dense jungle or even amplify its low-frequency calls. Sounds so deep, they are nearly felt rather than heard. They are solitary, highly territorial, and biologically equipped for high-stakes defense. It isn't a monster. It's a survivor from another era. Do you see the resemblance to a dinosaur? Let's talk about it in the comments.